Welcome to Animal Quiz. Today, we're excited to play Pick 1, Kick 1, Cute Animals Edition. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest quizzes and animal-related content. Alright, let's get started with the quiz. Number 1. What's your preference for a pet, a puppy or a kitten? Number 2. Which do you think is cuter, a little piggy or a baby goat? Number 3. What do you prefer, a baby raccoon or a baby fennec fox? Number 4. If you could only choose one, which would you prefer as a pet, a tiger cub or a rabbit puppy? Number 5. Between a zebra foal and a donkey foal, which one do you prefer as a companion animal? Number 6. Would you rather have a giraffe calf or a deer fawn? Number 7. Which do you prefer, a bird or a duckling? Number 8. Between a kangaroo joey and a koala joey, which one do you think is cuter? Number 9. Which do you think is cuter, a panda or a red panda? Number 10. If you had to choose between a baby elephant and a baby seal as a pet, which one would you prefer? Number 11. Which do you prefer, an axolotl or a seahorse? Number 12. Would you rather have a gerbil or a hamster? Number 13. Despite being feared by many, which would you rather have as a pet, a scorpion or a spider? Number 14. Which bird do you think is the most beautiful? Number 15. Would you rather have a pet lion or a pet leopard? Number 16. Which do you prefer, squirrel, flying, or bath? Number 17. Which bird do you think is the cutest? Number 18. Which fish do you think is the most beautiful? Number 19. Which do you think is more beautiful, jellyfish or Portuguese man-o'-war? Number 20. Do you like monkeys or gorillas more? Number 21. Which sea animal do you prefer? Dolphin or blue whale? Number 22. Do you like horses or donkeys more? Number 23. Between the delicate wings of a butterfly and the vibrant spots of a ladybug, which do you find more captivating and enchanting? Number 24. Which animal would you rather have as a pet, a swan or a peacock? Number 25. Which of these two sea animals do you prefer? Crab or sea star? Number 26. Which do you think is cuter, a beaver or a squirrel? Number 27. Although snakes are often feared, some people appreciate their beauty. Which do you think is the prettier snake, the python or the coral snake? Number 28. What's your pick, a crocodile or a hippo? Number 29. Do you like penguins or ostriches more? Number 30. Among these two mighty dinosaurs, which one do you find more fascinating? The fused Tyrannosaurus rex or the colossal Brachiosaurus? Thank you for playing our game. We hope you had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more fun and exciting games in the future.